Shri Manache Shlok, Shloka number 87, English translation and explanation. Shri Manache Shlok were written by Samartha Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. Mukhi Ramatya Kam Badhu Shakena Gune Ishtadharishta Dhyache Tsukena Hari Bhaktato Shakta Kama Sabhari Jagi Dhanyato Maruti Brahmachari. Those who recite Rama's name, lust cannot afflict them. They will have resolute in every action, and they will be blessed with the brevity to get the desired results. The devotee of God mightily slays the lust, just like the blessed Hanuman, who constantly stays in Rama's trust. Some keywords used in this shloka are Kama means lust, Ishta means desirable result, Dharishta means courage, Shakta means mighty, Dhanya means blessed. The real devotee of God will always pray Him from his heart. He or she will keep God in their heart, their mind, and their speech all the time. Such devotees will be able to conquer over the lust and unnecessary desires by sheer determination and the blessing of God, Lord Rama. Everyone will have desires, but there is a difference between the desires which are needs and those desires which fall into the category of wants. Needs are essential for life, but wants are not. Wants are clear desires, and excessive desires turn into lust. There is a famous Abhanga by Saint Tukaram in the Marathi language which is worth mentioning here. Bolava Vithala, Pahava Vithala, Karava Vithala, Jiva Bhava. It means that you should have Lord Vithala, who is an avatar of Lord Vishnu, in what you say, in what you see, and in that you do with the bottom of your heart. Lord Rama is also the avatar of Lord Vishnu. When you live your life with this approach, that the words coming out of your mouth are always good, you never speak something which will hurt others and demean others. Whatever you see, you will realize that there is God everywhere and in everyone. And every action you take is keeping God in mind and with the approach that the outcomes from your actions are not selfish but are for the benefit of the human beings and nature. Then you are living the life with God in your heart. Then you will have all the courage needed, all the qualities needed to achieve the desired results, as then God is also working with you towards the betterment of society and nature. You will have the determination and the urge to overcome the lust. It is also important to be physically fit and strong in order to put your best in everything you do. If the health is not good, then how can you achieve the needed outcomes? Samartha Ramdas Swami was himself well built, very strong, and promoted physical well being within the young generation at his time. He built 11 temples of Lord Hanuman in Maharashtra state in India and many more across all over India. Along with those temples, he also built gymnasiums near each of those temples for people to do the physical exercises and build strong bodies. Hanuman is also known as Maruti. He is the true devotee of Lord Rama and is one of the seven immortals mentioned in the scriptures of Hinduism who got the boon to live until the end of the universe. Samartha Ramdas Swami gives his example in this shloka as the one to refer to who has won over his lust, is physically strong, is a true devotee of Lord Rama, and is loved by Lord Rama himself. मुखी राम त्या काम बाधू शकेना गुणे इष्ट धारिष्ट त्याचे सुखेना हरि भक्त तो शक्त कामास भारी जगी धन्य तो मारुति ब्रह्मचारी. Join me in the humble effort of spreading this amazing part of our Maharashtrian culture and literature to the English speaking community in the entire world. Be proud of our culture. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha